Hi there. So we're finding the area of this circle. Work out the area and the parameter. Okay, so I'm going to start with the area. So here of the circle, and use pi as 3.14, and then you round the answer to 1 decimal place. So what is provided here is the radius, and that's what I need to calculate the area. So the radius here is 6.5 centimeter. So step number 1, write the general formula of finding the area of a full circle equals to pi r squared. Number 2, substitute in the general formula. I'm gonna keep pi at first as is, times 6.5 all to the power of 2, multiply 65 times 65, ignore the decimal, place it later. So 5 times 5 is 25, 6 times 5 is 30, plus 2 is 32, 6 times 5 is 30, 6 times 6 is 36, plus 9 is 39, add 5, 2, 12, 4, decimal here, 1, 2, 1, 2, place the decimal, and write the answer in terms of pi. A is equal to 42.25 pi, and it's centimeter squared. Number 4, or step number 4, area. We are going to substitute pi and replace it with 3.14. So it's 42.25 pi, it means times 3.14, and I'm going to multiply. So 4, 2, 2, 5, 3, 1, 4, and we're multiplying. 4 times 5 is 20, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, cross them out. 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 4 is 4, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 4 is 12, add 0, 5, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 1. We have a decimal here and a decimal here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the final answer for the area of the circle is 132.6650 centimeter squared. So this is the area of the circle in terms of pi, and this is the area of the circle when we substitute pi as 3.14. I hope this is clear, and thank you so much for watching.